Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Ijaz. I'm a project manager in a robotics research company in China. I'm a mechanical and automation engineer. Recently, when I came back to Pakistan, I thought of starting a new import and export business between Pakistan and China. So I joined this course where I came to know Mr. Ijaz Ahmed, and I found out that he's a very exceptional teacher and his way of delivering the lecture is very effective. He tries to involve his students in the topic by asking questions and taking their input. And this is such a good activity that his lectures kind of become seminars where the participants are actually adding something very useful to the topic. And this kind of activity actually makes the environment of the class very conducive to better learning. And I want to point out a special point, a special quality of his lectures that since we were trying to learn uh, and how to start a new business in Pakistan, we were naturally very scared and fearful of the challenges we might face. And Mr. Ijaz Ahmed, he encouraged us that challenges are not something that we should be afraid of. We should face them head on, uh, but we should always be cautious of what might be the outcome and what problems we may face. And so I would say that this balance he struck between encouragement and caution during his lectures is very special. And I think this is what I learned from his lectures, not only about business but also about life. And I wish Mr. Ijaz Ahmed all the success in his future endeavors.